Imagine training your own custom AI model, one you control, customize, and use without monthly limits. No subscriptions, no restrictive quotas. In this video, I'll not only show you how I built my own Nano Banana style image model, plus integrated V3 and a MidJourney-like engine, all inside a single web app with no coding required, but you'll also see the actual results I created with it. And here's the best part. The whole setup is almost completely free to use. You'll be shocked at how powerful it is once you see it in action. Stick around, because once you realize what this tool can do, you'll never look at paid AI subscriptions the same way again. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you want powerful, unlimited AI image and video tools without paying through the nose, you're in the right place. We're using UWare, an AI creator platform that lets anyone build apps, models, and even video tools fast. Today, I'll show you how to sign up, build your own image generator, add editing features, and even combine it with V3 and MidJourney style engines, all in one app. Stick with me. I'll also show how to unlock extra credits so you can experiment for free. First, create an account on UWare. Use your email. It takes less than a minute. When you join, you'll receive starter credits so you can begin building right away. Once you're in, click Create. Select AI App. Think of it like a no-code workspace where you describe what you want and UWare builds it for you. In the builder, give your project a name. Then add the instruction. Build an image generator using the Nano Banana model. Expand it with details like desired resolution, styles, and whether you want image-to-image support. Click Build. In just a couple of minutes, your custom generator will be ready. Now, test the generator. Choose a portrait or product task and select a style: realistic, cinematic, cartoon, etc. Pick the output resolution and generate. You'll see near-instant results. Clean, high-detail images with consistent lighting and textures. Try multiple styles to compare: realistic studio portrait, stylized cartoon, or a cinematic aerial city shot. The point here is to test fidelity across styles and resolutions. If you want higher detail, use the app's built-in upscaler. Choose Precise or Ultra to preserve identity and fine detail. Since we've already added image-to-image editing while building the app, let's test it. This feature lets you upload an existing image and instruct the model to edit it while keeping identity and composition intact. I uploaded a portrait and asked the model to change the subject's expression and then to swap outfits. The system preserved the person's face, hair, and lighting, but smartly altered expression and clothing. That kind of controlled editing opens possibilities for fashion mock-ups, character variations, and rapid iterations on a single asset. Since we already generated a photorealistic image, let's test how flexible the system is by transforming that same picture into a 3D anime style. I uploaded the exact same photo, the black man standing beside Lionel Messi at the Ballon d'Or, and simply prompted the model to reimagine it as 3D anime style. This time, instead of typing a whole new prompt, I just went to the drop-down menu for styles and selected anime. The result? It preserved the same composition, outfits, and trophy, but completely restyled the image into a polished 3D anime look with bold outlines, smoother textures, and vibrant animated lighting. This makes it incredibly easy to switch one photo into an entirely different aesthetic with just a single click, while still keeping identity and context consistent. This shows how you can switch seamlessly between photorealism and creative styles, while keeping identity and context consistent, and you're not limited to just one. You can also test other art styles, from 2D anime to Pixar-like 3D renders, to even oil painting art or cyberpunk, all applied to the same photo. The system keeps the core identity intact while letting you explore endless creative directions. Want more variety? You can add other engines to the same app. Type the name of the additional models you want, for example V3, or a MidJourney style engine available on the platform, and let UWare integrate them. Once added, your app becomes multimodal. Choose Nano Banana for certain shots, pick V3 for text-to-video or image-to-video, and call the MidJourney style model when you want a particular aesthetic. The result is a single control panel that gives you multiple creative engines at your fingertips. Since we've added a video model, like VEO 3, you can now extend static images into motion. For example, I uploaded the image I generated earlier. Lionel Messi at the Ballon d'Or ceremony, and then prompted the system to animate it with a smooth camera pan across the stage, flashes from photographers, and the golden trophy reflecting dynamic light. The result? The still photo transforms into a short cinematic clip that feels alive, with movement, atmosphere, and realism, all created directly from one image. And it's not limited to images. With text to video, I can simply type a prompt like, a dramatic aerial shot of a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and glowing skyscrapers, and the model generates a full-motion scene from scratch. This makes it perfect for cinematic reels, animated ads, or creative storytelling on social media, all while keeping the original composition and style consistent. UWare gives you starter credits, so you can start experimenting right away. On top of that, there's a referral program that rewards you with extra credits whenever friends sign up using your link. And you even get a 100 credit daily login bonus just for showing up. If you ever need unlimited usage and priority access, paid plans are available at affordable tiers, starting around $20. My advice? Squeeze every bit out of the free credits first, then upgrade only when you're ready for consistent, large-scale production. If you want to recreate my exact setup, I've shared the app template and project link in the video description. Just open the project, click Build on this, and UWare will provision the same pipeline for you. From there, you can customize prompts, models, and export settings to match your creative goals. If this tutorial helped you, smash the like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more step-by-step AI builds. Check the description for the UWare sign-up link and get started today. Thank you. See you in the next video.